Welcome to the new video here. Just going to start with, this is going to be the forecast update. It's just going to be the weather now here. So to start, it's pretty blah. I mean, 20 degrees there, May 6th, and then you can see the cold front comes through because it drops right down to 12 degrees. There's a high on May 7th there. Get close to 5 millimeters on May 8th there. It's not too much to it on this portion, but then as soon as I scroll down right about now, yeah. Oh, what the fuck. May 13th goes to 5 millimeters of rainfall. My birthday, May 15th, 20 to 25 millimeters of rainfall. May 16th, 10 to 15 millimeters of rainfall. May 17th, 10 to 15 millimeters of rainfall. Is there enough? The weather are going apeshit with the rainfall. Clearly. Yeah. It would be nice to get quite a bit of rainfall, but I mean, I like to have a bit of a thunderstorm threat mixed in, you know? But, yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys maybe later on today, if not tomorrow. Yeah. Here's the forecast. So we got 6% chance of showers this evening, then a 6% chance of showers in the afternoon with a risk of a thunderstorm tomorrow. Looking at it, it's fucking garbage as shit. It's not gonna happen. Then Friday night, a 6% chance of showers in the evening, then partly cloudy. And that'll probably turn into a risk of a thunderstorm early in the evening tomorrow, knowing my luck, so. Yeah. And then there's the radar sitting around, a bunch of decently heavy precip and nothing happening here. Yeah. Bunch of lightning from that stuff here. It's simmered down since, but still. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Here's the forecast. Pretty quick here. Got ourselves a 30% chance of showers early this morning, and then a 70% chance of showers this afternoon with a risk of a thunderstorm late this afternoon. So we got that going for us. And then tonight, a 6% chance of showers this evening and after midnight. Then a risk of a thunderstorm early this evening as well. And then from there it dries up a bit. Barely gets into the 20s, not even, I think, the Environment Canada's forecast, but gets into at least the high teens. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today, for sure. This is how things are looking. Nothing super impressive by any means, but a couple stuff hanging around, see what it does. I'll show you guys how it looks outside later on, and yeah. I'll see you guys outside later on. Oh, crap. That's all outflow from this. Fucking hell. Oof. There's dust down there. Well, that was a quick blow through, I guess. Yeah, like I said, it looks like it's just... I hope so. Looks like a big gust is coming in. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Doesn't make it though, that's the thing. This is certainly a hefty round, but we'll make it. I see a bunch of stuff flying over here, so oh, here we go. There we go. It's gonna start any moment now. Come on. These are northwesterlies, so we're getting a little bit cock blocked here. There we go. There they are. Oh shit. Holy crap. There we go. Oh shit. Here's the real gust. Oh shit. Ouch, I just grabbed my neck. Oh. Holy. Oh shit. And the winds are just suddenly went. And the winds have gone from 0 to 100 again. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Smell rain. The wind's simmered. Go in. Go in now. This ain't gonna be any more gusts. It'll be fairly minor compared to how the rest of it's gone. That's all the outflow right there. Missed everything. That's all I'm gonna say. Show you guys right off a little bit more detail of what I'm saying. this is what I was talking about. Alrighty, so here's the forecast plus thunderstorm outlook, first one of the season from Environment Canada. That'll be shown as well. But to start, weather here, decent little bit of rainfall here from May 15th till the 21st, 19th to the 21st, especially there, 5 to 10, 5 to 10, close to 15. How many times has this been forecast and absolutely jack shit has happened? So, yeah. But yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby amount of rainfall if we can get it. And then now off to the thunderstorm risk here for today. I have it saved. Just a minor risk of an isolated thunderstorm. We're just outside of it as our per usual luck. But, yeah. It's worthy of showing for the first considering it's the first outlook, it's worth showing. I'll leave you guys with that. I will see you guys later on today. And again, this is a bit of the weather forecast here, that's all I need to show. Yeah. 10 to 15 millimeters there for the 19th and 20th. That's pretty decent there. And then some odd showers, 21st and 23rd. And then a decent little bit of rainfall again there, 24th and 25th. Yeah. Not much actually expected today, thankfully. So it's going to be one of those nice days. And yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys maybe later on today. If not, tomorrow. And here's the temperature so far today. Has a peak 21.6 and still on the rise, 320. Yeah. Apparently we're in a proper drought right now, so this is lovely. But yeah. We need thunderstorms, man. We need rain, we need thunderstorms. Which hopefully, looks like it may start kicking back in later next week. So, as early as late this week, so, yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys maybe later on today, if not tomorrow. Here is Environment Canada's forecast here. So, we got some rain possible beginning late this morning, and then that'll continue until this evening. After that, we get a nice little warm up. See, it goes from 14 today, pretty blah, to 20 to 24 to 25, and then Sunday it peaks. I'll show you guys that in just a second here. A few seconds here, I should say. Oof. Peaks at 27 on Sunday there. And we get a 30% chance of showers Sunday night. Sorry. And then Monday night. Well, all of Monday, let's just go with that. 6% chance of showers. Yep. And then that proceeds with a little cool down there from 27 on Sunday to 21 on Monday. I'll leave you guys with that. I may see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow at some point. So it looks like we had some action while I was doing work and stuff. So, start that up. That right there. Now we got a bunch of other crap getting ready to move in as well. Well, we'll see what happens. Here's the forecast. So we got a decent little bit to show. This weekend is gonna be warm. It is fucking gonna be 27 on Saturday and 29 on Sunday. How in the fuck? Oh my god. That is some warm ass May weather, that's for sure. And then right after Sunday, cools right down there, as you can see. Monday, get going with a 40% chance of showers all day and only a high of 20. Well, in comparison to Sunday, it's only 20. And then Tuesday, 30% chance of showers. And then Tuesday night, a 6% chance of showers. But the big story is very much the weekend temperatures there. 27, 29. God damn. And then get the weather network here. This little bit here, I believe. Yeah, 24th, 18th there, yeah. Not too much. It's just more so the fact there's plenty of days with 1 to 3 millimeters and 2 to 4. 1 to 3 to 2 to 4 millimeters of rainfall possible in there. Otherwise, it's not too much to actually show from this. So yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. Yeah. Here's the forecast this morning. Today, well, no. Saturday, Sunday is still 27, 29 there respectively. Still everything the same there. And then Monday, get going there with a 40% chance of showers all day there, 20 degrees. And then Tuesday, 30% chance of showers changes to a 6% chance of showers during the nighttime. And then Wednesday, which is not shown, is all 60% chance as well. All day Wednesday. But yeah. So, there's that. And we got the weather next forecast here. Start off close to 5 millimeters here, May 18th and 19th. Pretty solid there. Otherwise, they're only going 26, 27 for the weekend. And close to 1 on the 21st. Millimeters of rain on the 21st. Scroll down. A little bit more rainfall. Close to 1 May 22nd there, and then 2 to 4 on the 23rd, and then 20 to 25 on the 24th. And then close to 5 on the 25th, and then another close to 5 there on the 28th. Skipping that little chance of light showers there on the 26th. Yeah, I will leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. If not, tomorrow. Gusty, risk of thunderstorms over the ridges now. See you guys later on today. The temperature says on here 25.7. And go outside, reading with the Kestrel, see how different it is. If it's not too different, I won't show it, but if it is, I'll show it. Only if it's higher. So if the difference is high, if the temperature recorded is higher than what it says on here, I'll show you guys it. But if it's relatively close, I'm not gonna bother. But yeah, I'll see you guys later on today at some point. Yeah. And there's, I was just about to, I was gonna head out, but then it quickly changed right to 26. So yeah, I can see us on Sunday hitting 30 very easily. Very easily. But yeah, just a quick update there. I'll see you guys at some point later on today. Hopefully this temperature doesn't increase like another half a degree in the next fucking 10 seconds. So, this is the forecast we're going for here. So it's going to actually be a little bit warmer for a little bit longer. Today 27, pretty solid there, and then tomorrow still a nice high of 29, although a little bit gustier tomorrow. So I don't know how easily that'll be achieved at 29. Either way, then Monday we got 26 degrees as a high, and it's not too bad there either. But then Tuesday we started bringing in some showers there. 6% chance of showers Tuesday, 40% chance of showers Tuesday night. And then we scroll down here. A little bit more too. It stays in the teens after Monday. 17, 15, 17, 18. And then Wednesday, all day, 30% chance of showers. And then it'll break there Thursday. Then another 30% chance of showers Thursday night. And then another break Friday. So we'll have this brief spell of heat. And then we'll leave it behind for a good little while. At least for this week. Next week. Rest of next week. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on today with temperature updates. Here's the forecast. Temperature. 27 right now, still on the rise. Looks like we'll get to maybe as high as 28 even. If things go right. Oh, nice. Lovely. It's whenever a breeze kicks up, it filters the air a bit, acting like a bit of AC and keeps things on the slightly cooler side, but once it's dead, it gets quite warm. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today with further temperature updates. Temperature. It's 26.5. Just stand, there's a little breeze. It's about 26. Surprisingly enough, the humidity is 20%. It's respectable, not too far. It's about 26.5, give or take. During this time of the year, it even says something even cooler than it should. Once you get a breeze going. There we go. And then the breeze gets going. Yeah, I guess maybe. Yeah, it's about 26 and a half. Yeah. Look at that rise. There's a breeze. You can see the anemometer spinning. There's no way Do we? Yeah, there we go. And boom. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, it's about 26.7. I'll see you guys with the current temperature inside. Well, from the other weather station. Yep. There we go. There's the real 27 degrees. Finally. Yeah. Finally get to show it. But yeah. That's it. That'll probably be as high as it gets today. On that note, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Yeah. Okay then. We're already at 28. It's 1:30. It's literally the final countdown here. Oh my god. We are right there. We're at 28 degrees at 1:30 in the afternoon. Early in the afternoon. And we got about, give or take, about 3.5 hours more of warming before it actually starts cooling back down. 3.5 hours. We don't hit 30 today. Oh my lord, it's gonna be until like mid-June before we hit it. Yeah, I'll see you guys later on. Jesus Christ. Here we go. We're at 29.3 degrees. 240. We're so close. We're so close. I got the Kestrel here. I'll be heading out later on. So I might do another temperature update here before I head out again. Before I head out. Yeah. Highly expect a 30-degree temperature before 4 o'clock, that's for sure. Hopefully. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. If not, well, no, yeah, later on today. A little bit later on. Well, here we go, 29.8. We're almost there. We are almost there. We're almost at 30 degrees. Actually, at 30 degrees. Almost fucking there. I gotta go outside, so... Well, I gotta go use this Kestrel. So I gotta do yard work. And yeah. See what this is later on. So I'll see you guys actually a little bit later on today. Because I gotta, like I said, do work. So, yeah. There you go. 30 degrees. Probably about 29. It's probably not even actually like actual 30, but it's best bet to say it probably. It seems far-fetched to say so. Even if there isn't a little breeze going. Yeah. Let's settle with about 30 degrees. See you guys inside. There it is. The elusive 30 degrees. We've done it. It's fucking May 16th. And we've already hit 30 degrees. It's not a record by any... not even that close to a record, but... it's certainly not a commonality during this time of the year. Actually, I should check May... well, during this point in the year. Like mid-May. Usually it gets maybe high 20s at most, but low 30s. Oh, jeez. It's not even that good because we're already in a drought stage, so this is not a fucking nice sight, but hey. I'll see you guys later on. Yeah. And here is past 24 hours conditions. Got up to 29 at the airport, got to 30 here, 30.1, 30.2. So a little bit warmer than the airport, but it's always a little cooler there because they don't get affected by that dry southerly breeze. Well, dryish southerly breeze because you can see, well, I mean, obviously it dries out. Yeah. Well, they aren't as affected by urban heating. Let's put it that way. So this is probably the actual temperature, but because we're more urban, it's a little bit, gets quite a bit warmer. So, either way, I'll see you guys tomorrow, potentially, depending on the forecast. Doesn't mean much, but it's 18 at 1:45 in the night. What the fuck? My god, I'm saying it right now. This is legitimately fucking summer weather. Mid-teens as a low. Well, maybe it might get down to single digits. It's only 1:45, so. It gets coldest at around 5, 6 a.m. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alrighty. So, this is where we're going with all this warm weather. So it's actually going to be not bad today, 25. And then a 40% chance of showers late this afternoon. And the winds become southwest 40 gusting to 60 this afternoon as well. We'll see how that turns out. But then tonight we got a 6% chance of showers with the risk of a thunderstorm overnight. That's between the 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. period, which is alright. And then tomorrow, Tuesday, it gets quite cold there, only 13 degrees with 40% chance of showers in the afternoon. And then winds becoming southwest 30 gusting to 50 in the morning. And then we stay on that cool trend Tuesday, Wednesday, then we gradually warm up from there back into the low 20s, I believe. Like really low 20s. Like 20, 21, 22. Yeah. So I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today.
Oh shit. Wondering why the fucking it was rain hitting the window and then it stopped raining. It'll be interesting to see what happens tonight. Models aren't very impressive by any imagination, but all models are. But these mountains over here like to pull off some magic every so often. What I mean by that is something no model picks up on. So I'm not sold. I'm not gonna just go to bed at like 1 a.m. and not wake up, because that would be calling it too soon. It's almost as if the rain's past due and now the breeze is dying down. Oh shit. I'm just standing out front because there's no point in there being dust flying, so I might as well just take the comfort of just sitting right here. Jesus. See, as soon as the rain kicks up, the wind's kicking up. Makes sense? Oh my god. Oh shit. And let's be good stuff. It's been really going at some points, but it's just not making it. I'm gonna put on a sweater, get out the front. Well, back.
Here's the forecast. I'm actually, I was waiting for 11 o'clock, but I don't have time to bother waiting for that fucking thing. So this is where we stand. We got a 40% chance of showers early this morning, that's passed. And then 30% chance of showers late this afternoon, with the risk of a thunderstorm. And then winds becoming southwesterly, gusting 50 this morning. Winds are already up to that. Although I wouldn't say it's necessarily gusty, it's more so just windy. Well, slightly windy, I guess. And then tonight, we got a 30% chance of showers early this evening, with the risk of a thunderstorm. And then those winds southwest 30, gusting 50, becoming light this evening. Yeah. And then that's not where it stops. Tomorrow we get another 30% chance of showers in the afternoon with the risk of a thunderstorm. Although nowhere near as good of a breeze. Yeah. And then after that we gradually warm up back up into, we start Thursday there in the low 20s, and then we pop right back up to the mid 20s by late week to the weekend, just before the weekend, or just before the weekend or the start of the weekend, so Friday, Saturday. Oh, here we go. Yeah, nothing's changed, so I'm not gonna bother too much about it, but yeah, there you guys go. 30% showers late this afternoon with the risk of a thunderstorm. Winds southwest 30, gusting 50, that's still going. Winds, yep, that's still the same. Yeah, everything's the same. Just changed it for the 11 a.m. And then this is Environment Canada's outlook. Nothing spectacular, just a minor risk for an isolated thunderstorm. Isolated thunderstorms. Yep. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. You can't tell, but there's so much dust down there. Oh my lord of me. Oh. Not the greatest day for this to happen. I'm busy as fuck, but during this time, but alright. Oh shit. Tell you, certainly this is just recently kicked up because I would have been out here a lot earlier if it was, if I knew about it earlier. Oh my god. My post frontal stronger than actual frontal. Because the direction you're coming out of, it's hard to get a real actual good gust out of this. That's the thing. That's why it's like, it really looks strong on a flag and then even in trees, but then ground level, like right here, it's not much of anything. Well, not too much, I should say. Breeze is whipped around from behind me. Ugh. Man. gonna be one of these days. Crap, it's dusty. Jeez. Holy crap, look at this. Like I've been saying. It's so dead here. But then you just look down the street. It's like as if it's a whole new different type of windstorm happening down there. Jesus. God. I just think any storms that develop on weekend, my God. It's going to be a fucking even stronger than this because with the outflow. If these winds are still going when those storms are happening later this afternoon, which is possible. Maybe not to the same extent as it is now, but of similar strength. Goodness. can't stay closed. No showers. I mean, the real stuff ain't supposed to start till late this afternoon, if anything happens. So, yeah. Otherwise, the breeze is it's still about the same, but yeah, not as many strong gusts anymore, I think. Although it is still quite breezy. I'll see you guys later on today.